This is grilled or barbecue chicken marinated in an island-style recipe. This is the perfect marination that is sweet, savory, tender, juicy, and so flavorful. I'm using a quarter white onion, 2 cloves garlic. I'm using 3 pounds of chicken thighs, boneless and skinless, so this is how it looks. It's a little over 3 pounds, about 3 1/4, little less. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I'm also adding a tablespoon of garlic powder. I'm adding a teaspoon of ginger powder. You can also use fresh ginger. So now I'm just stirring everything all together, making sure that the meat is covered with all the spices. I have a half cup of Kikkoman soy sauce. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and I'm going to stir it up, and I'm going to toss it all over the chicken. I'm adding 1/4 cup white vinegar, 1/4 cup water. I want my chicken thighs to be infused with an abundance of flavor, so I am just making sure that these chicken thighs are soaked. You can also place this in a large freezer bag and marinate for at least an hour. The longer the better. Alright, my hour is up, and I'm going to grill on medium-high heat for 7 minutes on each side. My chicken releases naturally from the grill, so I know that side is done, so I'm going to flip it over and grill for another 7 minutes. I'm going to flip it one more time and lower my heat to a medium-low heat, and I'm going to grill for an additional 5 minutes. Marinating chicken for at least an hour not only infuses the chicken, but it actually makes it very tender and juicy. So it's full of flavor, it's tender, it's juicy, overall delicious. Look at this. So juicy, so good. Friends, the next time you have a gathering, whip up this island marinated chicken recipe. It is so easy. It will definitely be a crowd pleaser. Enjoy. Follow me on Instagram at Reese's Recipes for more easy, simple, and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, friends. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Many blessings.